We've just launched our newest brake controller, the VM1. But what is the VM1 and how does it differ from the EB2? Let's dive in and discover which product is the perfect fit for the way you tow. Number 1, the mounting location. EB2 is a trailer-mounted brake controller that mounts directly to your trailer's drawbar and connects between your trailer and vehicle using a plug-and-play adapter. On the other hand, VM1 is fitted near the tow bar and wired directly into the vehicle's trailer socket. Number 2, towing versatility. The EB2 allows multiple tow-capable vehicles to tow the same trailer, whereas the VM1 allows one vehicle to tow multiple trailers. Number 3, installation. EB2 offers a quick DIY installation. Simply mount it to your trailer using the supplied screws, connect it with a plug-and-play adapter, and you're ready to tow in under 10 minutes. VM1 is designed for professional installation, with the brake controller securely mounted near the tow bar and wired into your vehicle for a seamless towing setup. Number 4, power. The last key difference is how the brake controllers are powered. EB2 draws power from your trailer's existing brake and taillight circuits, while VM1 is powered by an auxiliary circuit from your tow vehicle. When the unit is not in use, the VM1 will go into standby mode. To sum it up, both the EB2 and VM1 deliver the same trusted elect brakes performance and safety, with the key differences coming down to how they're mounted, installed and powered. If you're still unsure which option is right for you, visit our website or give our team a call.